Forecast minimum temperature -3 on the 9th at 0400 Zulu. Tempo from 0300 until 0500. Visibility 4,000 meters. Light snow sun. Becoming between 0900 and 1100. Wind 030 degrees, 7 knots. Cloud few at 1,000 feet. Scattered at 3,000 feet. Net report. Zurich net report. Zurich at 0420 Zulu. Wind 330 degrees, 5 knots. Visibility 3,000 meters. Light snow. Clouds. Ceiling broken at 800 feet. Temperature -2. Dew point -3. QNH 1008. No sleep. Geneva net report. Geneva at 0420 Zulu. Wind 240 degrees, 3 knots. Wind variance between 200 degrees and 280 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Clouds few at 500 feet. Scattered at 2,400 feet. Ceiling broken at 8,000 feet. Temperature 0. Dew point 0. QNA 1007. No shake. Paris Charles de Gaulle. Net report. Paris Charles de Gaulle at 0430 Zulu. Wind variable 5 knots. Visibility 6 kilometers. Clouds. Ceiling overcast at 2,300 feet. Temperature 1. Dew point 1. QNH 1016. No shake. Orly net report. Paris Orly at 0430 Zulu. Wind 040 degrees, 8 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Clouds. Ceiling broken at 1,300 feet. At 1,900 feet. Temperature 2. Dew point 0. QNH 1016. No shake. Repeating, Zurich net report. Zurich at 0420 Zulu. Wind 330 degrees, 5 knots. Visibility 3,000 meters. Light snow. Clouds. Ceiling broken at 800 feet. Temperature -2. Dew point -3. QNH 1008. No shake. Repeating, Geneva net report. Geneva at 0420 Zulu. Wind 240 degrees, 3 knots. Wind variance between 200 degrees and 280 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Clouds few at 500 feet. Scattered at 2,400 feet. Ceiling broken at 8,000 feet. Temperature 0. Dew point 0. QNH 1007. No shake. This is Shannon Volmet. Shannon Volmet. New signal. Repeat. No signal. Forecast. Hamburg. Forecast. Hamburg. Valid from the 8th at 0000 until the 9th at 0600. Wind calm. Cavalcade. Becoming between 0700 and 0900. Wind 300 degrees, 5 knots. Probability 40%. Tempo from 1000 until 1400. Clouds. Ceiling broken at 900 feet. Becoming between 1900 and 2100. Wind 180 degrees, 7 knots. becoming between 0300 and 0500. Visibility 2,500 meters. Moderate snow, clouds, ceiling broken at 700 feet. Met report. Brussels National, Met report. Brussels National at 0420 Zulu. Wind 030 degrees, 7 knots. Visibility 8 kilometers. Clouds few at 900 feet. Ceiling broken at 1,200 feet. Temperature 0. Dew point -2. QNH 1016. No 6. Amsterdam Schiphol. Met report. Amsterdam Schiphol at 0425 Zulu. Wind on. Have okay. Temperature -5. Dew point -5. QNH 1017. Becoming. Visibility 7 kilometers. Frankfurt. Met report. Frankfurt at 0430 Zulu. Wind 030 degrees, 7 knots. Have okay. Temperature -4. Dew point -7. QNH 1014. No 6. Cologne Bonn. Met report. Cologne Bonn at 0420 Zulu. Wind 050 degrees, 5 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Clouds few at 2,200 feet. Temperature -6. Dew point -7. QNH 1016. No 6. Hamburg. Met report. Hamburg at 0420 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Clouds scattered at 100 feet. Temperature -11. Dew point -12. QNH 1016. Tempo clouds. Ceiling broken at 100 feet. Repeating. Brussels National. Met report. Brussels National at 0420 Zulu. Wind 030 degrees, 7 knots. Visibility 8 kilometers. Clouds few at 900 feet. Ceiling broken at 1,200 feet. Temperature 0. Dew point -2. QNH 1016. No 6. Repeating. Amsterdam Schiphol. Met report. Amsterdam Schiphol at 0425 Zulu. Wind calm. Okay. Temperature -5. Dew point -5. QNH 1017. Becoming. Visibility 7 kilometers. Repeating. Frankfurt. Met report. Frankfurt at 0420 Zulu. Wind 030 degrees, 7 knots. Have okay. Temperature -4. Dew point -7. QNH 1014. No 6.